Next section, interest. Interest is a feeling or emotion that causes attention to focus on a object, event, or process. In contemporary psychology of interest, the term is used as a general concept that may encompass other more specific psychological terms. Can you define interest? The interest has been defined as the feeling of a person whose attention, concern, or curiosity is particularly engaged by something. Nature of interest. Interest may be innate or acquired. Interest may be intrinsic or extrinsic. Interest is the personal meaning. Interest and attention are closely related. Interest is be different from attitude. Factors influencing individual interest. First, personal factors. Second, environmental factors. First, detail about personal factors, including physical health, physical development, social development, age, sex, education, sentiments, wishes, ideas, motives, goals. Second, environmental factors, detail. Socio-economic, familial factors, cultural factors, education, training, opportunities. Measurement of interest. Interest inventories. Interest inventories are a type of psychometric assessment used to measure a person's interest in different occupational areas. Most often, interest inventories are used in career analysis to assist in finding areas where an individual has strong interest and therefore is more likely to enjoy the work. Test was developed in 1927 by psychologist Edward Clong Strong to career assessment and career counseling. Inventory consists of 291 items that measure an individual's interest in 6 areas. Look at this. Areas and number of questions in each area. Occupations 107 questions. Subject area 46. Activities 85. Lesser activities 28. People 16. And your characteristics 9. Types of interest inventories. First, strong interest inventory. Next, strong MBTI interest combination. Next, Campbell's skills and interest inventory. CSII. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.